beautiful salt dough tree ornaments, you will need cookie cutters, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of warm water, twine and a rolling pin. Preheat the oven to 120 degrees Celsius. Line a tray with baking paper or use a reusable baking sheet. Place the salt into a large bowl, followed by the warm water, and stir to combine. Lastly, add the flour, bit by bit, stirring in between. Stir until a dough consistency forms. Knead the dough on a clean bench. Using a rolling pin, roll out the dough until it's about 1 centimetre thick. Cut shapes out of the dough with the cookie cutters. Using a toothpick, make a hole in each cutting. Place in the oven for 2 hours. Loop twine through the hole and tie it up at the back so the decorations can hang on the tree. For these dried orange tree ornaments, all you need is twine and an orange. Place a wire rack on a tray. Slice the orange about 1 centimetre thick.
Your words are full of lies, not what I thought. In the middle of the night, you ordered drinks alright, make it so hot. It's like
Using a tea towel, gently dry each of the orange slices and place them on the wire rack.
you said you needed space, while sober had a drink and I come over.
Place them in the oven for 2 to 3 hours at 120 degrees.
Your mind is just saying no, I can stand.
Using a toothpick, poke holes in each of the orange slices and tie some twine to each one of them.
Listen to you, but clearly I was full of thanks a lot.
For these seashell decorations, you will need super glue, twine, and shells of your choice. Fold the twine in half and glue it to the back of each shell. This next step is optional, but I chose to paint each shell with glitter. And there we have it, 3 different types of sustainable Christmas tree decorations.